Hello friends, I am Raj Bagul, life science coach and motivational speaker, and today I am giving you a very good information about the topic how to speak fluently in English. Friends, I am not an English teacher. I am not teaching or I am not taking the English speaking classes even, friends. But still many people they are asking me for how to speak English fluently, friends, because so many people they are having confused about how to learn the language now. Language, subject, two different things. Many people they are taking the classes, friends, speaking classes are there, but what I observe there, they are always teaching the tenses, they are always teaching the vocabularies, they are always teaching the phrases and other things, friends. Means what exactly? They do not understand what they are doing. They are taking the classes of speaking and teaching you tenses. Why, friends? There is a little bit confusions in between the peoples, in between the students. Now I want to convey you the science of language, which is a very important to understand. If you are taking classes, if you are taking anything in your life, friends, you have to understand the science of mind. At the same time, you have to understand the pattern of the language and the language of the science, or the science of language you can say. But how you can understand this? Not to understanding these things is very important. If you are taking the classes of English, friends, and if you are taking the classes from so many days, and if you are not getting or if you are not producing the result in a proper way, what will happen? That will decrease your creditability, friends. How that will understand? Friends, language can be listen, can be read, can be write, and can be speak. But subject, what will happen with the subject? Subject always to learn and forget. You learn so many subject, but today, do you think that you remember all this subject? No, friends. Why? Because these are the subject. But language is the language that will produce you lot of things. So try to understand the language and try to understand the science of language very differently. You just think about your childhood, what you were doing there, how you learn your native language, how you learn your mother tongue, friends. Do you remember in your childhood what you are, means what you were doing basically? You are doing only one things. You are listening the language and you are speaking out. You are listening the language, speak out. Listening the language, speak out. Your mother never tell you about the grammars of native language. Your mother never tell about the vocabularies and other things, because it is your surrounding with the native languages, friends. And by listening this, you understand and you speak out. But you understand one things, how to talk papa, how to speak mother, mama, how to speak uncle, auntie, and other things. How you go for this language, how you understand this language? Do you know? Because of listening the language properly. Never go for the grammar, never go for vocabularies and other things, because that is your surrounding completely. If you really want to grow in English and want to improve in English and fluently want to talk, want to speak in English, friends, you go for the listening continuously. You listen so many speeches over the YouTube, friends. You type over the YouTube English speeches with subtitles. You will get two inputs, which is very important for learning the language. First input is listening, second input is reading. While listening the language, there is a subtitles over there. You can see the subtitles and read properly. So listening and reading do the simultaneous way. If the listening and reading doing it simultaneously, then what will happen, friends? Speaking and writing ultimately can be developed, because that is the output of listening and reading. This is a simple science, friends. Make it a very simple. If you make this language very simple and understand the science of language properly, I can bet you with the friends, you can learn and you can speak English very fluently. Even I learn English with the same way. I never go for the grammars, I never go for vocabularies and other things. I just learn. I learn language as a language, and that's why I'm speaking in English very fluently, because you can listen so many people's. The accent is very important, friends. You can listen the Indian speakers, like you can listen the Shashi Tharoor, you can listen Shah Rukh Khan, you can listen Amitabh Bachchan, you can listen Sadhguru even, friends, which is a very good accent. You can understand it very properly, friends. So that is a very small video to open your eyes that English is a language, not a subject. If you like this video, press the button of like, friends. Don't forget to add the comments, because your comment always inspired and motivated me. And number is flashing there, friends. If you really want to take a consultation from me, or seminar, workshop, or counseling, friends, you can call over that number and make appointment fixed with my team. And friends, if you are coming for the first time and do not press the button of subscribe, so press the right button of subscribes and pull the bell icons for interesting, informative and creative video. Friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.